So today we're going to be making one of my favorite chocolate cake recipes. Now for this recipe, you're going to need a mixer. You can either use an upright mixer like a KitchenAid, or just a handheld mixer will work just fine. You'll need a spatula, 2 9-inch cake pans, and these are your ingredients. We're using all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, granulated sugar, whole milk, melted butter or margarine, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, water, eggs, and vanilla extract. Chances are you have everything you need to bake this cake in your pantry already. You can find the list of ingredients and instructions on our website or in the link in the description. First, you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. It's always a good idea to let your oven preheat for about 20 to 30 minutes so that the heat is constant and even. When you're baking a cake, make sure that all of your ingredients are at room temperature. This allows the cake batter to come together smoothly. You can sift or whisk all your dry ingredients together by hand in a separate bowl, but I'm going to use the whip attachment on my mixer. Less dishes for me to wash. Now we're going to add our room temperature liquid ingredients. Pour everything in except the water. Mix the liquid ingredients into the batter on medium just until everything's combined. Scrape down the sides with a rubber spatula and then add the water. Mix one more time and you're ready to go. I'm going to give these pans a good coating of pan spray and then dust them with flour. Make sure you get all the way around the sides. Once they're coated, weigh or measure the batter into each pan. Make sure each pan has an equal amount of batter that goes about halfway up the pan. Give the pans a tap on the surface of your countertop to make sure that the air bubbles rise to the surface, and then you're ready to bake.